What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. And today I am back with another unboxing, quite a special unboxing if I say so myself. So I don't want to talk too much. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, show small YouTubers some love. Y'all know how it goes. And we're gonna get into this box straight away. Okay, I like what y'all did here. It's the AUX pack. The AUX pack is back with a female twist. So this is the female AUX pack designed by Hove, aka Bree. If y'all are not familiar, she does the recap with Ben, the Hat Club recap. So y'all can catch that on Wednesdays, I believe. They have it on Twitch. And here is the box. So if y'all notice, it's the same like vinyl in the back and the black box that I got last time, but the details on the face have changed. It's currently Friday when I'm filming this, so it means the female AUX pack has already released on hatclub.com. Make sure y'all check out the website to see what's left over and tap in with your local Hat Club in-store, because I do believe some teams did release in-store. So tap in with your local Hat Club and see what they have left. Now, I did want to say before I open this up, congratulations to Bree on a really well-designed and successful pack. So shout out to Bree. I will put her information on the screen so that y'all can go tap in with her. A whole new track list to vibe with. Fitted female AUX pack by Hove, says the card inside. For me, this was the one. There are two Mets in the pack, I believe. This one right here, the navy joint, was so easy for me to guess. I knew immediately when I saw it what artist this was inspired by and what mixtape it was inspired by, because I played the hell out of it in like middle school. So y'all can guess down below in the comment section. Maybe I'll reveal it a little bit later, give y'all some time to guess. But it's a navy Mets hat, tricolor Mets logo on the front, pink, white, and blue on that Mets logo. Pink, white, and blue in the side patch, 25th anniversary side patch. Looks really good. Flat baddie on the back, black and white, keeping it consistent with the rest of the AUX pack lineup. Tonal New Era flag. Icy blue bottom, such a nice touch, and that UV definitely brings the whole design together if you ask me. Black guts, and this actually does have the custom Hat Club tag on the inside. There it goes. I like that they're adding this to their hats now. I don't know if it's going to be on every hat. I hope that it is, but I really like that addition. I think it's dope. This hat was made in Bangladesh, so here's a good look at the crown one more time for those of y'all that care. Now, y'all know I have to show y'all the hat steamed and curved, so let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. And just like that, I am back. For y'all, I basically never left. The hat is steamed, it's curved. I loved it before, but I love it even more now. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you've watched my unboxings, then you know that I am very picky about ices. I'm kind of critical on ices, which is why I don't have a lot of them in my collection. But this one right here, this is a goodie. That navy with the icy bottom, it's a newer look. You know, ices haven't been around all that long, but it feels like a classic, and that pink and blue in the front logo and side patch just really set it off. If you haven't guessed it already, the hat is inspired by Nicki Minaj's Beam Me Up Scotty. So here's another good look now that it's been steamed and curved. This is how I would actually wear the hat. And now I'm going to put it on so y'all can see what it looks like. Yeah, this one is nice. This is a good look. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below in the comment section of the fitted female AUX pack. I think it's pretty dope. Female creatives out here doing their thing. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, show Bree some love on her new collection, and I will check y'all out in the next one.